Local Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Could definitely go for some coffee or something baked like that on a cool and soggy day like today. The showers and storms continue to move from the southwest to the northeast through our viewing area. This is a current picture of our radar now. As we mentioned to you earlier in the show, one place we're really watching for the potential for some severe weather is south side. You can see parts of Halifax and Pennsylvania counties still under a severe thunderstorm warning until 6 o'clock. So the National Weather Service office in Blacksburg is watching this area for some strong wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. They also included a tornado possible tag on this. And the reason for that is there is a little bit of signs of rotation in Rockingham County, or excuse me, Caswell County, North Carolina. And if this were to continue to move to the northeast and maybe tighten up and potentially put a tornado on the ground, that would be in Halifax County in our area. So we're going to continue to watch this as it goes to the northeast. Again, no tornado warning in effect at this time. It's a severe thunderstorm warning with a tornado possible. So the threats as we go through the rest of this evening include obviously all the rain, so some localized flooding could develop, and we keep the possibility for wind damage or a tornado in south side. Does not look like hail will be in the cards for us, and it looks like eventually all the rain does exit the area as we go into the overnight as our cold front does shift to the east. The reason that south side is under the risk for the severe weather this evening is because these areas were the warmest all day long. They got as high as the low 80s earlier today. Now the cold front is passing on through and is trying to stabilize the atmosphere a little bit. South Boston's still pretty warm at 70 degrees, but everybody else is in the 50s and 60s. Looks like the temperature is going to be a little bit more uniform tomorrow after the cold front passes through the area. Looks like the coolest spot will be the middle 60s for highs in the New River Valley, but everybody else across the area going to see the low 70s. Probably the warmest spot around the area going to be south side tomorrow at about 72 for the high temperature. Here's a look at weather headlines for the rest of the week. We are going to dry out tomorrow behind the cold front, probably get a good amount of sunshine, but we're going to have a second cold front that's going to pass through the area, and it could bring a few showers, but the risk for any flooding or severe weather not going to be in the cards for us as we go into Thursday. Behind this front, it does appear that we will get a reinforcement of fall as we go into Friday as well as this upcoming weekend. So here's a look at Future Tracker. We're going to put this into motion here. Again, the risk for any severe weather or flooding likely just over the next couple of hours or so. And then as we go into the overnight period, the range is pretty light and starting to move off to the east. It's completely gone out of our area by 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. And then when you're waking up tomorrow morning, we're completely dry with temperatures in the 40s and 50s. Probably going to see the clouds clear out through the morning. Good amount of sunshine in the afternoon with high temperatures anywhere from the middle 60s to the low 70s. And then as we go into Thursday, again, that second front that I mentioned does have the possibility of sparking a few showers, but the chance for rain much lower on Thursday than it was today at about 30%. You can see that on the 48-hour forecast for the New River Valley before Thursday. A nice day on the way for Wednesday. You see how the temperatures kind of stay pretty uniform Wednesday and Thursday in the highlands. And then again, that chance for a shower late as we go into south side on Thursday. Here's your Lynchburg area forecast. Friday looks like we're going to see the cooler temperatures really filter in, just a high of 66. We stay in the 60s with some sunshine over the weekend. Could have some cool mornings in the mix there. Still got to iron this out, but there's the possibility for a little bit of rain as we go into early next week. That's your Roanoke Valley extended forecast.